Od thieth machiromo ne otero chenro mar chiwo puonj ne jopuonjre skunde ahinya to mago mag chuo ewi tuo mar dang'ni mar paro. Mae biro tok nonro wacho ni jopuonjre mathoth kawo ngimagi kaluore ni jonyuol oketogi matek ni nyaka gitim maber e skul. Nonro ni oyango ni chuo 4 kuom 10 yudo midhiero mar dang'ni mar paro kotenore gi ting' mapek ma oketnegi kod oganda. Jolony weche dang'ni mag paro ojiwogi mondo gimany yore mag loso ewi weche machandogi mondo giyud konyruok chon. Jolony go bende ogolo paro mondo opuonj weche mag dang'ni mag paro e skunde mar mondo mi okony e kedo kod tuoche ma obirogo.
We have had cases where students have committed suicide after they have left the institution because of various issues, and maybe if they are captured early enough, I think we can be avoiding such scenarios. We need to have that included in the curriculum that we have. We hope the CBC will capture that so that we create this mental wellness among the students.
The earlier the conditions are recognized, the more effective the treatments are, and therefore we have decided to go mashinani, to where the boys and the girls are, to where the teachers are, and just pass the good news that mental disorders are easy to recognize and even easier to deal with.
Rates of suicide, especially in men, is double the rates in females. We already know that 1 in 4 people will have a mental illness in their lifetime. So you can imagine that risk is increased in men. So this is a conversation that needs to be taken seriously, and the things that contribute to these very high rates in men are things, for example, how we say men don't talk, kuwa mwanaume, men don't cry, such things like that. But other things that contribute is, of course, the pressure of performing academically. When the pandemic happened, the terms were made into, the pressure was too much because the terms were squeezed and children had to do so much work in such